for the headlines. Weather forecast. Agricultural losses caused by El Nino in Western Visayas and Zamboanga Peninsula exceed 100 million pesos. In local news, a representative from South Korea presents Bibles to members of the City Council. Clarex commits to empowering more than 10,000 scholars in Oro. There is a notable increase in business permits and new applications in Oro. Barangay captains who do not comply with RA 9003 or Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 may be removed from service. For the national news, Vice President Duterte expresses her acknowledgement of her father's viewpoint on Marcos Jr. The Philippine economy expands by 5.6% in 2023, falling short of the government's target. International news, a confrontation ensues among Maldivian lawmakers as clashes erupt in the midst of a parliamentary session. Entertainment, Maha Salvador discloses the gender of her first child. Catherine Bernardo and Jericho Rosales seen jogging together. Sports, Creamland is prepared to give their all to maintain their dominance in the PBL. In UAAP Girls Volleyball, UST secures the second seed. International feature. The collaboration between Mobile Legends, Bang Bang and Attack on Titan is currently active. National feature. You can now purchase tickets for Art Fair PH 2024 through the online platform. Trivia. The Burj Khalifa stands as the world's tallest building. Good morning, Philippines. Magandang umaga, Luzon, ug maayo adlaw, Visayas ug Mindanao. I am Athalia P. Saniel. Weather forecast. Agricultural losses caused by El Nino in Western Visayas and Zamboanga Peninsula exceed 100 million pesos. El Nino has resulted in agricultural losses amounting to at least 109.44 million pesos in Western Visayas and Zamboanga Peninsula, according to the Department of Agriculture. The impact of this weather phenomenon, characterized by below normal rainfall, affected 2,177 hectares of rice fields across the two regions. Approximately 2,602 farmers experienced the consequences, leading to a production loss of 4,738 metric tons. The department anticipates that these figures may rise as data from Luzon and other regions becomes available. To address the situation, the DA is actively conducting field validation in areas susceptible to drought and dry spells, implementing interventions to assist affected farmers. For the local news, a representative from South Korea presents Bibles to members of the City Council. In observance of National Bible Day, Councilor Kenneth John Sakala, representing Sangguniang Kabataan, presented a noteworthy report at the Council, underscoring the significance of reading the Bible. Sakala's report on January 29 received praise from Vice Mayor Jocelyn Rodriguez, marking his inaugural special report. He highlighted the importance of the National Bible Day Act, designating every last Monday of January as National Bible Day to recognize the Bible as the cornerstone of the Christian faith. Sakala emphasized the need for the Council to allow divine guidance through the Bible in addressing challenges and maintaining moral character. To promote Bible reading, Sakala, alongside with his church, the United Church of Christ in the Philippines, is providing a box of Bibles from the Philippine Bible Society for the Council. Vice Mayor Rodriguez commended Sakala's report, acknowledging its focus on positive initiatives rather than problem solving. Clarex commits to empowering more than 10,000 scholars in Oro. Mayor Rolando Clarex Uy of Cagayan De Oro affirms his commitment to significantly increase the number of government-sponsored scholars aiming to realize this initiative in the upcoming school year. Speaking at the Pilaes Sports Center, Mayor Uy announced his goal to have 10,753 scholars by the 2024-2025 school year. The inaugural Scholars Cup, a two-day event fostering character development through sports, saw participation from over 5,000 city scholars. Mayor Uy encouraged scholars to aim for higher academic pursuits, and the city scholarship program is set to expand to include disciplines like law and medicine. Starting from the next school year, nursing students will be eligible from their sophomore year onward, addressing the shortage of medical professionals in the city. In exchange for education, scholars are expected to commit 2 years of service to the city government. The announcement was made during a sports event attended by over 4,000 city scholars, reflecting the city's dedication to education and development. There is a notable increase in business permits and new applications in Oro. Sheila Lumbatan, Chief of Staff at the City Mayor's Office, disclosed on Tuesday that a considerable number of businesses have been actively renewing their permits, while new businesses have been securing permits at the City Hall. According to the Business Permit Licensing Division, a total of 14,522 businesses renewed their permits, and 550 new businesses obtained their permits from January 2 to 22. Comparing these figures to the same period last year, there has been a slight increase in business permit activities. Recent BPLD data from January 22 to 28, 2024 revealed that approximately 1,680 businesses renewed their permits, indicating a continuous trend of active renewals. Additionally, 183 new businesses secured their permits during this period, demonstrating a positive environment for new ventures in the city. These statistics highlight a thriving business landscape in Cagayan De Oro, reflecting the city's economic resilience and the confidence of both existing and new businesses in the local market. Lumbatan emphasized the city government's commitment to supporting and facilitating business growth, contributing to the overall development and prosperity of the community. Barangay captains who do not comply with RA 9003 or Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 may be removed from service. Barangay captains who do not comply with Republic Act 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 may be removed from the service. According to the City Local Environment and Natural Resources Office, if Clenro Head Engineer Armand Cuenca that the long time given by the government understanding and providing guidance to the kabarangayan on waste segregation and source and collection is enough. It's a law, so they have to obey it. It's hard. It's a sin because they chose to be a captain who has a heavy responsibility. So at least they can see that if they can't do it, they can what a captain, said Clenro Head Engineer Armand Cuenca. We saw a barker earlier, so we approached him and asked him about his job. So let's watch this.
Okay, sir, may nga po, pwede ka na po ma-interview? Pwede man, ma'am. Okay, sir. Kasi pangalan niyo, sir? Ryan Egar. Ryan Egar? Oo. Anong, saan mo nakita, sir, ba kay kanang barker magkano? Kasi ano, sir, man sa barker? Barker, dispatcher. Dispatcher. Ilan na katayo sa inyong dispatcher? Ito na, ma'am. 7 years? Oo. Ano 7 years na pag-bark, sir? Sa may mo ang tanang na-experience? Ang na-experience na rin. Bandit, kanang kailangan mamantay gid ka og ayo sa motor kay kanang depensa sa mga dautan nga mga tao nga kuan kanang kasi maghimo sila diri og mga dili maayo ba pare anang mawala ang helmet nawadan og iabi diri experience na kana sir nalita ko pinaala ko nawadan ang mga kuan gamit wala pa noon ko naka-experience nga naay nawala diri. So, 7 years na kani sir ba? 7 years na. Muna ni mo ang balik ibig sa mga pamilya? Mauna gyud ma'am. Pila yung anak mo sir? Isa. Ituwag sa po sa ano? Oo, isa ra po. So, dili kita mo ang position sir, o basta na kailangan na ginagawa mo lang na? Wala na ma'am, dinera gyud. Oh, mora niya ang trabaho. Saan po ka pa sir, nani mo gusto na magtrabaho, like sa barber? Mas tsada man ko daw, barker gyapon ka kay kanang nakay time sa imong pamilya ba kay kami man gud diri relibo man gud mi. Nami oras para sa pag-duty. O napod mi time mas dako among time sa among pamilya. Pero kasagaran sa pila ka tip kita mo dapat sukat. Ay magdepende po sa minga or bibo kay dili man magpareha ang kwan adlaw na ay bibo na ay mingaw. Sa isa lang ka sa nakapit na sa imong pila ka managawat ay og ang pinakabibo gyud sa ako diri kwan mo income pud kog 600. Kung mingaw po siya, mo income ko 400 mo ra gyapon nagtrabaho ka sa empleyado gyapon sa kwan ba. Amo ara gyud isig paningkamot na gyud ni. Oh, kanya. Dapat mo gyud na. Mo lagi na usap po na nga dili gyud ko pwede moawa diri kay mas dako ko ma-income og Pasko kay daghan man mga hatag nga mga pinaskuhan. Atong kuan og base kanang mga suki kanang permanente na mo parking dito dire halos kada adlaw mo parking. Ini gabot ana og Pasko mga hatag yun na sila. Ya, palipay para sa amo. Dagan-dagan ko pagdawat. Oh, dagan-dagan pod ako ra pong gikuan sa balay, gibalay ra pod nako. Oh, nami balay sayas sa akong ginikanan pero sa Dansulion ko nagpuyo kay dito man ko namin yo. Ay dili man na malikayan ma'am kay sa mga inani naman gyud mo kuan ganang siyempre mo champa ba pero sa amo kami na lang po magsabot kay basin siguro wala lang sila makuha ng pagkaon namo po sila pagbigyan. Pero kamo sa pila dito kinikaran kapot ng mga barber sobra 30. Oh, mga oras ko sa pera, buntag ko. Buntag, mabalik na ko paghapon. Kailan naman ang pangudtuan na. Alas 9 pa yung sa alas 4. Lain naman. Alas 4 ko magsugod ka adlaw dire. Or depende ang sa oras mo abot. Basta kay dili na malapas sa alas 9 kay naa may mapuli ana sa kuha.
Kung among baligyan namo is more on smartphones or laptop, apoy pod mga gaming laptop or mga monitor, printer, speaker o mga dayon, etc. mga tablets dayon. Ang brand ng mga baligya is kasagaragid mga gid siya mga kaning iPhone o kaning iPhone or sa mga Android dayon si Xiaomi, Poco, iPhone na kani siya si iPhone 11 mura gid ang the cheapest na kani siya may halinon nila sa mga pangmasa gid sa mga na to kababayan nato is iPhone 11. Yung price is 28,400 ni siya. So barato rin siya lower than SRP, 128 gig yung storage ko dani. 4 gig RAM ni siya. So sa mga 4 gig ni halos sa mga iPhone kusog-kusog na pud ni siya. Kani sa halin-halinon gud siya dili siya ingon nga only one brand lang ang pinahalinon siguro kaning gud kani si Infinix, Tecno, kani silang duha may mga top mo ni mga top na to kaning duha si Infinix ug si Tecno. Then for sa dayon for more on camera si Realme, si Xiaomi. Then sa pinaka-top nato sa sa for overall gaming kani si Poco nang sa mga overall gaming gid sila. Atong available nato is naatay HP, Asus o Lenovo o mga tulungan ni abot sa mga brand namo sa laptop. Dili tanan nga medyo siya. Ang gid kasagara sa mga gid ang nila is Acer or Lenovo. So si Lenovo is more gid siya ang gid kanang high spec gid siya nga lower price gid siya. Pero ang kasagara gid sa mga more on quality pod sa magipangita pod sa mga pang college or kuan is Acer. Si Acer gid ang well known gid na siya nga brand gid si Acer. Affordable pod si Acer pod. Si Bimbo nga barbak. Natay kung sa specs nato siya natay specs nga sa Intel natay Core i3, Core i5. Nya, kung sa AMD pod natay Athlon, natay 18 gyapon pinakaubos. Sunod Athlon ay day ng Ryzen 3. Ano siya? Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7. Nasad ta sa Intel nasad tay i7. Natay kining board ring nga available Gigabyte o BioStar. Natay MSI, ASRock. Sa atong graphics card napunta kuan kining 4070 Ti, 4070 Ti o 4060 Ti. Ang price ani sir 61,000 ang 4070 Ti. 4060 Ti nasa 31,000 plus. Ang Galax nasa 13,000 ang katong iyang 1660. 8 gig na siya, 6 gig siya sir. Natay dire mga RAM available daghan, Panther ang available o Gramsta.
Kung mag-apply si client og home credit, need na mo is one valid ID lang sir. Example, kung new client siya is one valid ID tapos 30% down payment. Kung reloaner ka sir, pwede na po na mo i-check imong account basi na siya low down payment kasi pwede ra siya 200 ini yang item yang kaon sir. Like siya na ang bahala kung sa kaon yung item basta low down payment lang gid siya. New client is 30% down payment sir. Pero nami bago nga karon system generated na mi sir ha. Sir, ang bago nga system if ever kung new client si customer need niya og source of income, mag-base yung credit sa yung source of income mo yung application nga ginhatag sa amo. Kaya mag-approve man na sir, main Manila ang mag-approve na sir. Then sa kung depende ni client ang pilahon niya ka months bayaran sir. Napod kay terms nga 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 15 months at 18 months. If ever makabayad si customer sa iyang first payment, butang na to 6 months yung term nga ginahatag, pwede ra niya i-advance og bayad, pwede siya manawag sa customer service para 4 months or 3 months na po siya low down payment sir. Automatic kasi siya sir kaning good payer. Tawagan niya first is tawagan niya si customer service sir na inform siya nga iyang i-palipid og bayad. Kung reloaner na mo sir is i-check ang account ni sir or ni ma'am, automatic na siya low down payment. Ang iyang i-down service and bundle yung paon. Pwede ra pud ta furniture, appliance, cellphone, gadgets, laptops, cosmetics, school supply, cell phones, mga sir, headset, pwede po ta bundle, mga laptop, mga speaker, printer, monitor, keyboard. Kung wala kay cash sir, pwede na po ta utang. Need lang na mo ID lang yun, og 30% down payment, mga sir. Pakita lang si Home Credit. For the national news, Vice President Duterte expresses her acknowledgement of her father's viewpoint on Marcos Jr. Vice President Sara Duterte emphasized her respect for the diverse opinions within her family, including those of her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, amid tensions with current President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. The discord arose following accusations from Duterte's camp, with the former president alleging Marcos Jr.'s drug addiction and Mayor Sebastian Duterte calling for the president's resignation. Vice President Duterte expressed gratitude for Marcos Jr.'s continued trust in appointing her as the Education Secretary, acknowledging the importance of her role in advancing the Marcos administration's 8-point socio-economic agenda. Despite recent disagreements, both leaders affirmed the unity of their unit team alliance from the 2022 elections. The Philippine economy expands by 5.6% in 2023, falling short of the government's target. The Philippines experienced a 5.6% GDP growth in 2023, falling short of the government's 6 to 7% target and slower than the 7.6% in 2022. Despite this, National Economic and Development Authority Secretary Arsenio Balisacan highlighted the country's strong economic performance in comparison to other Asian nations. Sectors like agriculture, industry, and services showed varying growth rates. Balisacan emphasized the need for fiscal consolidation, acknowledging reduced government expenditure in 2023. While addressing challenges such as elevated prices and high interest rates, he expressed optimism about stabilizing consumption through rising household incomes. Looking ahead, economic managers aim for a growth target of 6.5 to 7.5% in 2024, emphasizing the necessity to diversify and boost manufacturing for sustained poverty reduction. For international news, a confrontation ensues among Maldivian lawmakers as clashes erupt in the midst of a parliamentary session. Maldivian legislators engage in physical altercations and clashes during a crucial vote in a parliamentary session, as shown in footage released on January 28. The chaotic scene captured members exchanging kicks and fighting near the speaker's chair, while shouts and toy trumpet sound filled the air. The location was confirmed by Reuters based on the wall color, design, lighting, fixtures, and speaker placement matching previous imagery. Reports indicated that MP Abdullah Shahim Abdul Hakim sustained injuries during the violent altercation between pro-government and opposition MPs. The turmoil ensued when the main opposition Maldivian Democratic Party opted to withhold parliamentary approval for some of President Mohamed Muizzu's cabinet members before a key vote, leading to a protest by pro-government MPs that disrupted the parliamentary session. The timing of the videos could not be independently verified by Reuters. And for the entertainment, Maha Salvador discloses the gender of her first child. Actress Maha Salvador has disclosed the gender of her upcoming child with husband Rambo Nunez in a brief Instagram video. Initially expressing that the gender doesn't matter, they playfully commented on having a dragon as their child. However, the video was filled with pink confetti, indicating that they are expecting a baby girl. Salvador shared news of her pregnancy in December. The couple, who secretly wed in Manila on their anniversary in February before their grand ballet ceremony in July, has been surrounded by the support of friends, including John Lloyd Cruz, Joshua Garcia, Sara Labati, Richard Gutierrez, and Miles Ocampo, as seen at events like the ABS-CBN Ball where they were first interviewed as a married couple. Catherine Bernardo and Jericho Rosales seen jogging together. On the evening of January 30, images and videos emerged of Catherine Bernardo and Jericho Rosales jogging, generating speculation about a potential collaboration between the two actors. Joanne Canha, a Facebook user, shared photos with a caption noting their coincidental jogging encounter and later added an edit mentioning the presence of John Manalo. Another social media user posted a brief video featuring Bernardo, Rosales, and a third person jogging, though the identity of their individual couldn't be verified from the video angle. This sparked rumors, fueled by Rosales expressing interest in working with Bernardo recently. The pair had previously expressed mutual interest in collaborating back in 2019. The actors were also spotted together at Johnny Manahan's birthday dinner on January 26, alongside other Star Magic artists. Sports. Creamline is prepared to give their all to maintain their dominance in the PVL. The Creamline Cool Smashers, the most successful club in the Premier Volleyball League, are gearing up to maintain their dominance in the upcoming All-Filipino Conference. Diana May Tots Carlos, honored as the Philippines Sports Writers Association's Miss Volleyball, expressed the team's commitment to giving their best in each game, acknowledging the collective effort of teammates, management, and fans. Carlos, a three-time PVL MVP and Finals MVP in the second All-Filipino Championship Series, humbly credited her success to the entire team. Creamline, undefeated on the podium since joining PVL in 2017, aims to continue their successful streak in the upcoming competition starting on February 20. Team captain Eliza Valdez expressed pride in Carlos' achievements and hopes for her continued success as Miss Volleyball. In UAAP Girls Volleyball, UST secures a second seed. In the UAAP Season 86 Girls Volleyball Tournament, the University of Santo Tomas clinched the second seed following a hard-fought victory over National University Nazareth School. The Junior Golden Tigresses secured a 23-25, 25-19, 25-21, 17-25, 15-11 triumph at the Adamson Gym in Ermita, Manila. They will now anticipate the winner between NU Nazareth and Far Eastern University Diliman in the step ladder semifinals. Despite trailing 4-5 in the fifth set, UST rallied with Margaret Altea leading a decisive 5-0 surge, ultimately sealing the win by rejecting NU Nazareth's Celine Marsh at the net. This victory marked a recovery for the Junior Golden Tigresses after a heartbreaking 5-set loss to the Lady Ball Pops last Saturday. The Adamson Baby Lady Falcons, unbeaten in the elimination round, await the finals. International feature. The collaboration between Mobile Legends Bang Bang and Attack on Titan is currently active. Gather Scout Regiment Squad. The collaboration between Mobile Legends Bang Bang and Attack on Titan is now in effect. In this crossover, Yin transforms into Eren Jigger, Fanny takes on the role of Mikasa Ackerman, and Martis embodies Levi Ackerman. Moontoon Games, the developers of the game, have initiated a month-long pre-registration event offering a guaranteed prize. This follows last year's collaboration with Jujutsu Kaisen, introducing a distinct set of anime skins featuring Xavier as Satoru Gojo, Melissa as Nobara Kugisaki, Julian as Megumi Fushiguro, and Yin as Itadori Yuji. National feature. You can now purchase tickets for Art Fair PH 2024 through the online platform. Ensure you secure your tickets online for Art Fair Philippines 2024, set to take place in a few weeks from February 16 to 18 at the Link Car Park in Makati City. Priced at $750 each, tickets are available on the official website, granting access to exhibitions by both local and international galleries. The event's diverse sections, including projects, photo, digital residencies, and talks, will be open to visitors. Additionally, tickets can be obtained at the fourth floor reception of Art Fair Philippines, with 55 exhibitors from various countries and the inclusions of the metaverse. This year's art fair promises an enriching experience. For those seeking discounts, concessions, tickets for students, persons with disabilities, and senior citizens will be available on site during the 3-day event. Trivia: the Burj Khalifa stands as the world's tallest building. Over the past 2 decades, advancements in architecture and structural engineering have led to the proliferation of towering skyscrapers in major global cities. The quest for the title of the world's tallest building saw milestones such as the Petronas Towers, surpassing the Sears Tower in 1996 and Taiwan's Taipei 101 claiming the record in 2003. In 2004, the construction of the Burj Khalifa commenced as part of the downtown Dubai development, becoming a symbol of modernity and soaring to an awe-inspiring height of 828 meters. Originally planned at 518 meters, the bridge grew by 310 meters during the design phase. Completed in 2010, it not only achieved the status of the world's tallest building but also set records for the tallest elevator, most floors, and highest restaurant. Its observation deck, formerly the world's highest, stands at 555.7 meters. The Burj Khalifa has been a stage for various record attempts, including fireworks displays and extreme sports achievements. And that was the information we got from here and abroad. Keep listening and watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and share Pinoy Rob on YouTube channel. And thank you very much for watching Pinoy Rob News Channel Cagayan De Oro. I am asking once more to support and subscribe and turn on notification for more updates and more info. I repeat, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.